Hey, Miles here, milesbeckler.com. In this video, you are going to learn 3 affiliate marketing strategies that are crushing it right now. These are legitimate strategies that work for beginners and advanced marketers alike. And in this video, I'm not just going to explain them, I'll show you real world examples, multiple examples. And then at the end, I'm going to share the number one most important thing to make each and every one of these work correctly. So a lot of people think that affiliate marketing, you choose one strategy, you go one direction, and that's it. What you're going to see here is that you can actually blend these strategies in. So if you're brand new, you can pick the one that resonates most with you. But if you're into motion, you're going to be able to figure out how to generate additional cash flow from the website, from the brand, from the YouTube channel, from the email list, etc., etc. So let's jump into it. The first one, the number one, is what I call the useful affiliate marketing method, okay? Being the useful affiliate. Now, the way that this method works is you actually go create a process and you document a process. You teach people how to do something, get a result that they want, and one of the steps inside of this requires a premium tool, a premium software, or a premium course, etc., etc. Okay. So the example that I want to jump on and share with you is my keyword research content. So people search often for keyword research, and you can see right here in YouTube, not signed in. I just searched keyword research, which is a very generic phrase. And you can see I've got a piece of content here that's ranking number 2. And then if you scroll down, you got this other one that's watch and learn exactly how to research keywords like a pro. So this video right here specifically, that's 4 years old and it's been seen 160,000 times. It's a very long video that goes, I think it's about an hour, 54 minutes long. It teaches exactly what people are looking for. It'll teach you how to do keyword research top to bottom. And in it, I share my number one keyword research tool that I personally use and love. So in order to do keyword research the way I do, you got to use my tool. And then if you keep scrolling down, you'll also see that people also watched this video, which is keyword research for SEO, how to find low competition, high volume keyword phrases. Again, it teaches my process in a little bit different way than the first video, but you got to use the tool that I use and recommend as an affiliate in the video. Okay. So I'm being useful. I'm teaching people how to do keyword research, but then you'll see a lot of people search different kinds of phrases. So here, how to find low difficulty keywords, which is a very commonly searched phrase. And you can see I rank second with the exact same video. So this is kind of the game, right? We create really helpful and useful content that people are searching for that actually delivers the result they're searching for, okay? I'm not saying in that video like, hey, go buy my keyword research course and then I'll teach you how. I actually teach them how to do it. You just got to use that pro tool that I use. It's the real actual tool that I use and love. Okay, so what's the process for this one? Well, the first thing is to identify some sort of a process that you're familiar with or a result that people want, and then you go literally create a tutorial, a guide on how to. Now, if I showed you on my blog, I have a exact similar step-by-step post that matches the video. What I mean is that same content that's in my video, that same idea, that same workflow that I taught, I've also taught it on my blog. And when I email my list, I often email them directly to my blog to go learn the process because there's less distraction on my blog than there is on YouTube. Now, my blog doesn't rank as well as my YouTube does, but that's fine. So what I'm saying is you can take these same tutorials that you're creating and you can leverage different types of media to really gain the exposure. So you teach the process or the tutorial that requires a specific tool, you publish it to your blog and to YouTube, and then you go market it, okay? Then you go on Quora where people are asking questions on how do I research keywords or how do you find low competition keywords, and you answer their questions and you include a link back. I've seen people go as far, and I've even done paid ads to those pieces of content. So I've even bought the video views when someone on YouTube looks for keyword research or how to find low difficulty keyword phrases. I've actually paid to have my video show up in the number one spot for some of those before I ranked organically to just drive traffic. Because if they watch it, if they like it, if they really get the result and they're like, man, this sounds great, I want that tool, they click through, they buy, and I earn a commission. So that's number one. Number two, we are calling the bonus affiliate method. Now, I'll be honest with you. This is a method that I'm not personally leveraging very well because I'm lazy, okay? But my laziness means there's potentially opportunity for you, and I know a lot of affiliates who do extremely well with this method. And essentially what you do is you create a really valuable bonus that's an add-on to a specific course that people are actually searching for. So let's jump in. I'm going to show you how this looks in the real world. So right here, I'm just looking for Autoresponder Madness bonus, okay? So Autoresponder Madness is a course by Andre Chaperone. It's a great email marketing course, and you could say, when people search for this, there are unique bonuses, bonus, review and bonus, case study, review and bonus. So what happens is people type in, they give out their different bonuses. Okay. So Matt Acut has his bonuses, autoresponder review bonuses. And the simple process here, when you run a bonus type approach, is that they read your content, because they're not only looking for the product, but they're looking for the product and a bonus. They know that affiliates have created bonuses, so they're shopping around for which bonus is going to be most valuable. So in that scenario, autoresponder being an email marketing course, I would give away a pack of templates. So if I went and made 10 or 20 proven email marketing templates, just go buy his course here through my link and then email me your receipt, and I'll reply and I'll make sure that you get those bonuses. That's the process. So what do you have to build? You have to build a landing page, essentially. You build a landing page that explains the course, why that course is great, what your bonus is, and what the process is. Generally, the process is clear your browser's cache, clear your cookies, click on my link below, make sure my affiliate ID is up there, purchase the course, and then send me your receipt, and then I'll send you your bonuses. And you could set up a new email address like bonus@yourdomain.com for them to send that to, and then you can just go confirm that you did get the commission on that sale, and then you send them over their bonus and you just deliver it by email, and voila, you are up and running. And this is done in a lot of niches. So you can start with this one by looking at the keyword research. You can actually go do keyword research to find like what software tools that you use or what courses that you've bought and loved actually have the word bonus in a keyword. Like people are actually searching for this thing with a bonus, and you know there's demand for this kind of a bonus. Another example is a really common example would be right here. If I type in, let me just go do like ClickFunnels bonus. So you're going to see there's tons of bonuses that people are making for ClickFunnels. Obviously, they have their ad up top. Epic bonus, 7-tool bonus, bonus for 2021, priceless white label bonus, the ultimate deal. So people are literally just going after with videos, right, and blog posts. They're just giving away their bonuses. So here you can get $275 in free advertising credits, and that's the game, right? So here you get a $20,000 bonus. My goodness, people are just literally making shit up at this point in time, unfortunately. But that's the game, right? So you just go add bonuses, and the bonuses need to really complement what you're doing. So the process is you lay out your content, you lay out your posts, you obviously want to do a video and also a blog post with that sort of a thing. And then really what you're setting yourself up for from there is ultimately to go market it. You want to go make sure it's out. You're answering questions on Quora, linking back to it. You might even pay to advertise. So in one side of your business, you're putting out more and more and more of those. And then on the other side, you're making sure to go back and you're like adding more marketing that links to those, whether it's Twitter tweets, whether it's Facebook posts, whether it's Quora answers, whether you're doing press releases, whether you're getting on other people's podcasts as a guest to share your story. Marketing the content that you publish is a big part of the game, right? We don't just publish and pray. We publish and then we market it from there. And then number 3 is what I call the review affiliate method. And this is a really common method that you probably know about. And oftentimes people think this is like the Amazon affiliate marketing method, where you go review all of the best chef's knife for left-handed cooks, and you find all of the keyword phrases around that, and then you go create them all. I want to show you over here. It works for courses as well. So I'm searching not logged in on Google, Authority Hacker Pro review. You can see that I'm sitting right here in the number 2 spot with a post that I put together in October of 2020. So that post is actually quite a, it's over a year and a half old at this point in time. This product's actually closed right now, but they just opened it and closed it recently. And guess what happened to this post when they opened it for marketing and they actually emailed their list? I got a ton of traffic, right? People who heard about the buzz of the Authority Hacker Pro is now available, whether it was on Reddit or whatever. A lot of those people went to Google and looked for a review, and there you go. You find my content. Shout out to my buddy Niall, who I know on Twitter. We've connected on Twitter. He's outranking me, and boy, does his result look good there. So, I mean, you can see the power of sitting in the number 1 spot. And then I want to scroll down and show you, here's my video on it, right? This video is from 2017. So if people searched on YouTube for this, they also found me. What content's in the video? What content's in the blog post? It's the same ideas, right? Repackaged and repurposed in different ways. And obviously during their launch phase, if I really wanted to be aggressive with this, what I could do during that launch phase is run pay-per-click traffic for Authority Hacker review and other phrases. You you always want to make sure that it's within the terms of your relationship as an affiliate that you can bid on branded phrases. So, just look through your terms of agreements, email your affiliate manager. I would email Mark and be like, hey, Mark, am I okay to run ads to this phrase or not? This is the landing page I'm going to be sending them to. He'd probably look at it and say yes or no. And I would just get the approval first. There are a few affiliate products that allow you to bid on branded phrases as well. So let's go to the number one key to all, and then I'm going to sum up after I share the number one key to making all three of these strategies work, how you can actually tie them all in together. And honestly, you're probably already seeing how these could interlink together, but I want you to really think that, so many gurus sell one of these methods as the one be all end all method. It's the hero method, and they're charging $1,000 for the hero method. And it's just one of those three things. And it's just really super simple. Whereas you can really adapt and build all three of them. So the number one key to all of them is massive action for years on end. It's really important to remember that building an affiliate marketing business is a business. It's a real business. And the statistics that most businesses fail within the first couple of years. And ultimately, a failure in a business is when someone just says, this stuff doesn't work, and then they stop. They got convinced that it was somehow easy by the fake gurus and the greedy gurus who are selling them lies. They're selling them lies of passive income when the gurus are working their asses off, right? If you look at all the passive income wankers out there who are promoting passive income, they're all working very actively. They're selling a lie. So as long as you don't get caught up in the lie and you realize that you're building a lifelong business. I've been publishing videos on this channel for about 5 years now. I've been publishing online professionally full time for about 10 years now. This is my vocation. This is my career. And I'm going to continue to do this because it affords me the lifestyle I desire. This business lifestyle that I'm earning and living right now is so far superior to when I was a customer support representative and I had to go to an office that I didn't want to go to be stuck in a cubicle I didn't want to be in, under fluorescent lights I didn't want to be in for a specific set of hours that they deemed that I couldn't control. I hated that lifestyle. This lifestyle is far superior, and I'm still working to make sure this lifestyle keeps going. So that's one of the keys, is really to realize that you're going to learn more from just building, from creating, from committing to an audience, and then really going all in on answering their questions, solving their problems. And I'm going to show you where you can learn how to choose a niche if you haven't chosen a niche here at the end. But let's run through a single example, okay? So from top to bottom. So let's say I was going into a niche where I was going to teach trading. And it could be specifically focused on how to trade cryptocurrencies, or it could be specifically focused on how to trade candlesticks, right? Or how to trade candlestick momentum breakouts. And if you don't know what any of that means, it's irrelevant. Someone in the trading space would know exactly what that is. So the useful affiliate method is to make video tutorials and blog post tutorials that teach how to do certain types of charting on TradingView. Now, TradingView is a platform. It's a software tool that essentially allows you to draw lines on charts and to see where resistance is and to really track what's going on. So they need that tool in order to follow your method. So you teach the method freely on YouTube, you teach the method freely on your blog, and then in order to accomplish the goal, they have to click on your link and go sign up for TradingView, and you earn a 30% commission for life on that commission. Then number two, you can do the bonus approach, okay? And you can give a free course or a free ebook or even a free phone consultation to anyone who buys the number one trading course that you personally have gone through, that you personally recommend. And if it's a $1,500 course, a $1,000 course, or a $2,000 course, that means you potentially would earn 50% commissions, which could be $500 or $250 or $1,000 commission. Is it worth it for you to get on the phone with someone, to call them and to help them really understand and dial in their trading platform in order to make that $1,000 commission? Or what if you made a Facebook group and they just got access to your private Facebook group as a bonus for that thing they already wanted to purchase, the thing that you purchased that you've used, the number one course in the space, right? So you can confidently get behind it. And again, we're talking about the same brand here, right? The useful affiliate is also able to do the bonus game. And then for the review approach, you could go create content that reviews all of the different automated trading tools. You could create content that reviews all of the different trading platforms, all of the different charting platforms, and you can even review all of the different courses. Now, as a review affiliate, you don't necessarily give the green light and promote everything as an affiliate, right? You promote your one core affiliate program, your one core product that you think is the best product, that you have a bonus for to make it even more compelling. So maybe they're searching about product A and you recommend product C. You go make a review on product A. That will meet them on the search engine. They read your review and you're like, look, it's a good course, but it's overpriced and it's got these problems and it doesn't have a community. If you want to know what my number one recommendation is, it's course C. And let me tell you about it. And let me tell you about this special bonus. So you meet people where they are looking for what they're looking for, and then you share your bonus affiliate program. That's how you market your bonus through content that can do double time, double duty for you. And then you do the blogs, and then you do the YouTube videos for it, and then you go out onto Quoras and all of the different question and answer sites and social media, and you find all of the opportunities in the Pinterests of the world, and you find the opportunities onto building little marketing assets that link people and bring people back to your content. Ultimately, your free offer could even be your useful affiliate, right? The opt-in offer could be your useful affiliate guide. It could also be living on YouTube, but you could get them to opt into it, and then you could deliver it through an autoresponder. And right there, it's all kind of neat and tidy inside of one kind of complete area. Now, if you haven't started, if you're not in motion yet, it's probably because you either A, don't know what niche, who to be of service to, or B, you don't have a blog started yet. So let me show you last thing before I let you go, where to go. So on that, just go to milesbeckler.com. And just at the top navigation, you're going to see there's the find a niche link here. Now, in this niche, I've got my 5-minute niche finder method. Okay. If you've been struggling with choosing a niche or finding a niche for a long time, literally within 5 minutes of going through this post, you can have a niche that you've chosen that you're ready to jump into if you can't choose yourself. The ultimate truth is it's almost irrelevant what niche you go into, as long as you're committed to showing up day in, day out to start creating and to build great stuff for your audience for years on end. Because all that's true in any niche out there online, in any online business that you're getting into, the truth is that there's simply people who have a head start on you. They're not better than you are. Their content may be better today because they've just been doing it. If someone's published 130 posts in a niche that you're interested in going in, they're probably going to have better pros than you will. So you go make post number 1, and then you make post number 2. Then you make post number 3, and on and on. This is why I started my YouTube channel with a 90-day challenge where I published 90 videos in 90 consecutive days to just build the habit of publishing and to just become a better publisher, right? To really get good at the craft of communicating. I did that through hard work. And now that I've got nearly 700 videos on this channel, it's a lot easier for me to create value. It takes less time during my day, and I'm having more fun doing it. And I think the end result, the end product, is even far superior. And then the other thing, once you have your niche that you've chosen, just go click on the Start Your Blog. And this post it's a long post. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you, but it's long because it walks you through step by step. Literally, I'm showing you where to go, where to click, how to get your hosting set up, how to get your theme set up, how to get your website built and tied into Google so you get picked up by Google. This is probably the most important part, and this is where other tutorials really drop the ball. They don't understand how to get you tied in with the different platforms like Google Analytics and Google Webmasters, which I show you there. So again, both of those resources are right on the top of my blog. Find a niche, start your blog. If you're ready to grow your email list, that shows you exactly how to set up free landing pages to grow your email list. Ultimately, I just want you to get into motion, because the truth that you're going to find and the truth that you'll see is those who are creating more content than they're consuming are those who are winning. And those who create the most helpful content more frequently today, tomorrow, for the next year or two to come, those are the folks who are going to be winning in 2024, 2025, 2027, and beyond, which is why I'm still publishing each and every week to this very day on this channel. I ain't done. I ain't floating in no hammocks, drinking Mai Tais, thinking passive income is real. I got people coming after me. I have competitors trying to step in this space, and I got to keep them chumps in their place. And I got to make sure you remember that I am the most helpful marketer in the world. And I do that by showing up for you day in, day out, week in, week out. I email my list several times per week. If you're not on my list, oh my gosh, you are missing the most valuable emails in the world. Simply sign up for my free course, milesbeckler.com, on the free course. That'll get you access to my email list. I have rambled on too long today, but I do appreciate you. I hope this has been helpful. If you like this, if it's been helpful, let me know in the comments, or if you have questions, the comments are a great place. I am actually in the comments myself. I don't have a VA doing comments. I'm there for you. I'm here to help you. I'm going to keep showing up for you to remind you that you got to keep showing up for your audience. You can do this, and I look forward to connecting with you on the next video. Until we meet again, be well, my friend.